Jingle bell. Welcome to Sipping Life. It is December 5th, or also known as the 5th day of the Advent calendar. And for those of you who have not been watching until today, shame on you, first of all. Second of all, this is our Advent calendar. It's made specially for us, mainly because it's made by us. But anyway, each one of these balls represents a airline bottle, and each one has a recipe attached. Miss Sinnel knows what's in here. I do not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a random one, and we're on the 5th, so I'm going to grab down here on the bottom. And what we have is, we got a goodie today. Absolute Mandarin, as I heat it up over the candle.
I was going to say.
Hot damn. So the recipe that goes with this one is an Absolute Mandarin Punch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Mandarin Absolute. We're still going to go back to our pineapple juice. We're going to make something a little bit different. I don't think that's it. I think some of it's just the fact that it's such a light taste, and you're combining such different flavors with it. And so,
Okay, can I just say that looks more like the color of the photo?
So this is now 1.5 Absolute, 4 ounces of pineapple, 2 ounces of cranberry juice. I made it about a 3, to be quite honest. I'm gonna let Miss Sinnel try that. It's gonna it does recover from the one that we had, which was bad.
Not tremendously.